been awarded a contract, before payments are made to you as a supplier, the government will deduct withholding tax from your payment and then remit it to your team with the tax authorities. So what that does for you is that it stands as a credit, so that at the end of the year, when you have prepared your account, put all your documents together, you can use that credit to offset your taxes. So rather than paying cash as tax, you can use the withholding tax to offset your taxes. So if for instance your tax in the year was say 500,000 and you have withholding tax credit of about 1 million naira, you don't need to pay extra money because the withholding credit can be used to offset your taxes. And then if there's still some balance, you can ask for a refund. But trust our tax authorities, if you ask for a refund, they must make sure they audit you and check for what is not, in order for you not to have that money. Well, that's a perception, but the law says you can have you can request for a refund if you've not exhausted it. But in most instances, an audit would have to be carried out on your business before such refunds can be made. So withholding tax is a credit that can be used, but there are certain transactions that can be exempted, that are exempted from withholding tax. So the fact that I'm relating with you doesn't mean that for all transactions you just come and say, okay, I must deduct withholding tax. So for instance, if you go to ShopRite to buy things, you can't start asking ShopRite, please, I need to withhold before I pay you your money. So the law exempts direct purchases across the counter. So if you go to a business owner's premises and you have to buy from their business premise, we're just assuming there's a counter, just assuming. But if you are in a business premise to buy items, you don't have to deduct withholding tax. But if you award a contract to a supplier or a vendor and you say, okay, please supply me this activity or render this service to me, based on the term of contract, you must deduct withholding tax.